Welcome to this Notesmaster Support Network video which deals with registration. So, following on from our overview video, we have an understanding that this is our home page. So Notesmaster.com in the top left web address, and we're going to be looking at sign up, which can be found here and here. So we click sign up, and that takes us to the register area. So we choose a country. Now Notesmaster has programs in different countries, that's why you see these different countries here. So we select Caribbean. We choose our location, in this case we will choose Jamaica. And any location we choose in the Caribbean will bring up the schools for that location. So this is Jamaica. And if we choose Anguilla, we'll of course get the schools in Anguilla. And if we choose St. Lucia, we'll get the schools in St. Lucia. We note that schools change and update and names change and schools merge. So if your school is not here or your name is incorrect, please just let us know. Use the contact form at the bottom of the page and we'll make a quick update. So if you select Jamaica and then you select a school, and let's just say I go to Academic Resource Center, and then you enter your email address. Now, Notesmaster has an internal mail system. So that means you can send emails to persons already registered on Notesmaster. That then will send an external mail to this address that you have given here. So if there's any issues with your password, you see that it'll come up here and tell you that passwords are not equal. So password is a capital letter, some lowercase, and a number. So use an active email address. And this is not the password for your email address. This is your password for Notesmaster. You can keep it the same if you wish, or you can make them separate. Any internal mail, as I say, will be sent to your external mail. You'll get a notification. So try and use an active email address. If you don't have an email, feel free to sign up for one at Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo. So having put those in, choose a user type. I'm an educator. Choose your category, teacher in service, principal, Ministry of Education officer. Select teacher in service. Mail, put your name in. Martin, whoops. Get it right. Don't worry if you've got any spellings mistakes, it'll highlight for you. And try to keep capital letter only for the first and then lowercase for the others. You can add your own image if you wish, or if you don't, you'll get the default logo. Now, these are your syllabus areas. If you select CSEC, it gives you a list of the CSEC syllabuses. So if I select biology here, and then if I select CAPE biology, and then if perhaps I select CCSLC integrated science, I am selecting a copy of each of these syllabuses to appear in my workspace. You then have the terms. You can view the terms, which talks about the cookie policy, privacy policy, Creative Commons, how you use the platform. Once you accept those, just tick this box. And then you have these letters, CAPTCHA. So Notesmaster, obviously being a site and a platform that students and young persons use, security is important. So we use these letters to ensure that humans are registering and not robots or bot programs to provide spamware. If you can't quite make out these, click the button and you'll get a new set. So if I type stop and then a space, Ejido, and then I should click submit. Check the form before I do that I've got Caribbean, Jamaica, I've got everything in. You can update your subject selection once you've registered. There'll be another little tutorial on that. So once I'm happy, I click submit. The page will reload and I know I have registered when it says welcome to Notesmaster. So here's some tips on getting started. I can create new resources. Use the workspace editor to create new content within your syllabus. Next. Or I can find and add resources. Open the syllabus, click on a note and add it. So I can search for resources to add to your syllabuses in the workspace area. If I wanted to go back, I can, and see how this works. Open, click new, and then I can create my resource. Go forward again, and finally I'm finished. So I can find and add resources now, I can create new resources, or I can join a group. So the Notesmaster Support Network is about supporting teachers and schools. And every school in the network will have its own school group created. So let's click Join a Group. Join a Group will bring up the Groups area here. And this is our first look at the inside of the Notesmaster platform. Groups is here, and it relates to Groups here. We'll explore these other areas in subsequent videos, as well as our profile area if we want to edit or add any new subjects, our mail area, and our calendar area, and of course the search. But for this closing section of this video, we've registered on the platform, and featured groups usually highlight groups that have recently joined the platform or have an activity currently underway. These are Ministry of Education groups, for example. There's a program running in Belize, Youth Reaching Youth, which is an organization, Excelsior High School, so a variety. If your school is not listed, go to Add a Group and it'll change. Click on Find, then click on Schools and just select your group location. If you go to school in Jamaica or your school's in Jamaica, click Jamaica and then you'll see a list of schools. Click on the school and then you'll see this little disclaimer. Click Agree and Join, and that will add you to the school group. And that completes the registration process. So we have registered on Notesmaster and we have joined our school group. Okay, thanks for watching.